inside Ghana's top 5 most expensive neighborhood for the rich in Accra. Hey guys, today we will be exploring the city of Ghana and its luxury. Sit back and relax, it's going to be a smooth ride. Ghana is a country in West Africa that has experienced remarkable economic growth and development in recent years. With a growing middle class and a booming real estate market, the capital, Accra, has several neighborhoods that are popular with the nation's wealthiest residents, offering luxurious housing, world-class amenities, and proximity to the city's commercial and cultural hubs. Ghana has received increasing attention over the last few years. For this reason, more and more people travel to explore this beautiful country. Perhaps this new influx of people wants to know the best real estate areas. 1. Airport Residential Area. The Airport Residential Area is one of Accra's most exclusive neighborhoods, known for high-end real estate, luxury hotels, fine dining and shops. Located northeast of Kotoka International Airport, Airport Residential is sporadically populated by the bourgeoisie and expatriates. It is also densely populated with NGOs and government agencies such as embassies, expatriates, and wealthy Ghanaians who value comfort and safety. One of the area's most famous attractions is the nearby Kotoka International Airport. The airport provides easy access for residents who travel frequently for business and leisure. In addition to its convenient location, the airport residential area is also known for its good security. The neighborhood is patrolled by a private security company, and numerous CCTV cameras have been installed throughout the area. The cost of living in the residential area of the airport is very high. The average monthly rent for a 2-bedroom apartment in the area is about $4,500. For those who prefer to buy a real estate, prices for luxury homes in the neighborhood range from $1 million to $5 million. Airport residential properties range in price from $500,000 to multi-million dollars, from luxury apartments to sprawling mansions. Finding public transportation is very difficult as most residents have their cars. There are many pedestrian zones where fitness fans can jog. 2. Cantonments. Cantonments is another of Accra's upscale districts located in the heart of the city and within easy reach of the central business district and government offices. The cantonments was originally used as a military area, but here in Accra's more posh residential areas have been transformed into one. The area is known for its colonial houses, wide tree-lined streets, and lush green spaces. It also has some of the best restaurants and nightclubs in the city. The area is known for its tree-lined streets, colonial architecture, and upscale real estate, including exclusive mansions, townhouses, and villas. The cantonment is also home to several international schools and is popular with families with children. Cantonment real estate prices range from $400,000 to several million dollars. Cantonment's proximity to downtown make it a convenient location for those working in the central business district. The cost of living in the neighborhood is high, with the average monthly rent for a 2-bedroom apartment between $2,500 and $3,500. The types of residents who occupy the cantonments are mostly middle class, including wealthy families, successful businessmen, government officials, and eminent academics. 3. East Legon. East Legon is a fast-growing neighborhood in Accra known for its modern architecture, trendy restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. It is home to Accra's first shopping center, ANC Mall. East Legon is popular with families with children as it has some of the best international schools in Ghana. The neighborhood is well connected with the rest of Accra with easy access to major highways and public transportation. There are also many sports centers such as the Lizzie Sports Complex and quality international schools such as Al Rayyan and the British International School. The region is popular with young professionals and entrepreneurs, expats, and wealthy Ghanaians. Real estate in East Legon ranges from stylish apartments to large gated estates, priced from around $200,000 to several million dollars. The cost of living in East Legon is also high. A 3-bedroom apartment in the neighborhood costs about $3,000 a month, and luxury home costs more than $1 million. 4. Rich. The Rich is a historic district of Accra that was originally developed as a residential area for British colonial officials. Today, it is home to some of the most luxurious homes in the city. It is known for its wide tree-lined streets and colonial houses. It also has some of the best restaurants and shopping malls in Accra. The area is popular with diplomats, government officials, and wealthy Ghanaians who value privacy and exclusivity. The rich proximity to downtown makes it a convenient location for those working in the central business district. The cost of living in Rich is high, with average monthly rent for a 3-bedroom apartment in the $2,500 to $3,500 range. Neighborhood luxury real estate can cost as much as $1 million. 5. Lagoon. Lagoon is a trendy area of Accra known for its lively street markets, trendy cafes, and boutiques. It is a neighborhood in Accra, south of the city center. The district is known for its quiet residential neighborhoods and close-knit communities. Lagoon is popular with families with children as it is home to some of the best schools in Accra. The neighborhood is well connected to the rest of the city with easy access to major motorways and public transport. The region is popular not only with expats and wealthy Ghanaians who prefer a bohemian lifestyle but also with young professionals and creators. Lagoon real estate ranges from chic apartments to stylish townhouses priced from around $150,000 to hundreds of thousands. The cost of living in Lagoon is slightly lower than in other affluent areas of Accra. A 3-bedroom apartment in the neighborhood costs about $2,000 a month, while luxury homes can make him over $800,000. Lagoon is one of the most expensive places in Accra. The growth of these upscale neighborhoods in Accra has had a significant impact on Ghana's economy and society. On the other hand, these areas have contributed to the growth of real estate market, created jobs, and generated income for local businesses. They have also attracted foreign investment and talent to the country, helped diversify the economy, and encourage innovation and entrepreneurship. But there are also concerns about the social and economic impact of these luxury enclaves. Some critics argue that it contributes to a culture of conspicuous consumption, exacerbating income inequality at a time when many Ghanaians struggle to make a living. It also raises questions about urban planning and development, as these areas often lack basic infrastructure and services such as public transportation, parks, and affordable housing. In summary, the 5 most expensive neighborhoods for the wealthy in Accra offers a glimpse into the growing wealth and diversity of Ghana's economy and society. These regions are symbols of national progress and development, but they also raise important issues of inequality, urban planning, and social responsibility, balancing economic growth and social equity to ensure that all Ghanaians have access to basic services and opportunities, regardless of income or social status, as Ghana continues to grow and develop, becomes important. Please also note that these regions do not represent Accra as a whole or Ghana as a country. They may be home to some of the richest and most influential people in the country, but they are just a small part of a larger, more diverse, and dynamic society. Ghana is home to a vibrant culture with a glorious history in art, music, literature, and entrepreneurship. This diversity and resilience ultimately drive the country's long-term success and prosperity. And this is where we draw the curtains. But first, Accra's 5 most expensive neighborhoods for the wealthy are a fascinating reflection of Ghana's changing economic and social landscape. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the country's elite as well as the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Whether or not it worsens depends on the future decisions of the Ghanaians. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. While you're still here, please click on the thumbs up and the bell icon to subscribe and be notified of multiple episodes.